Integration exercise 3.3, question number 3. And question we have integral of x square divided by 4 plus x square dx. What I have told you, first of all, you have to decide the function. If I say 4 plus x square is the function, then you have to check whether we have the derivative available in the numerator or not. So the derivative of 4 plus x square equal to 2x, right? Which is not available here. We have the same variable, same power. And we have learned in the last lesson as well, if we have the same variable, same power in the numerator and denominator, or numerator, the power of numerator is greater than the denominator, then we have to divide. This is the important point of this question. Derivative is not available, right? So, okay, no problem. We will reduce the power of the numerator. When both have the same powers or numerator has greater power than denominator. Here we will divide with respect to x. So, x square plus 4. Sign will change. So, minus 4. It is equal to 1 minus 4 over 4 plus x square dx. Now our question is very simple. We have to start from here. See, 1 minus 4 divided by and then this. So we will do the integration separately. This 4 is constant. We can take outside the integral sign. 1 4 plus x square dx. This is equal to 1 dx minus 4, and it is the square of 2. Now we have the same formula as we have discussed in question number 2. So this is, here I can write for you again. If we have dx by a square plus x square, while a is constant and x is variable, so how to expand it? 1 over a tangent inverse x over a. We can also say, instead of tangent inverse, arctan, right? If someone asks you arc, so this is also same. So this is the integration of 1 dx is x minus 4, and now here you have to follow the same formula. 1 over a constant is 1 over 2 tangent inverse, and this is x is the variable, but we have x here, no problem. Otherwise, if we have y, z, t, whatever, you have to follow the same plus c. So this 2 time, it will be equal to, I can write down here, x minus 2 tangent inverse x over 2 plus c, and this is your answer. Right, so how simple it is. If you still have any question, please you can ask me, and thanks for watching.